Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are from LO5T1. I am Ahmad Asid. Our group, have been assigned for gas absorption. In this gas absorption, we will be using this packed column absorber. Now in this packed column absorber, the gas that we will be utilizing to measure its absorption is carbon dioxide, and the solvent we will be using is water. Now we have three different types of columns. They vary in terms of structure and density. Now the first one is brush-shaped rings. The second one is also brush-shaped rings, but this is smaller than the second one. And then the third one is the ceramic saddles. We experimented on this. Gas absorption will be taking place in a packed column absorber. First, water is taken by circulation pump to the top of the packed column, so it will flow downwards by gravity. And then we will also have soluble gas, which is also carbon dioxide, into the bottom of the packed column. Now the carbon dioxide will flow upwards as it is gas, and in this packed column is where gas absorption of carbon dioxide into water be taking place. We'll be moving on to how we set up this experiment to my friend Zaki.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Zaki bin Zulkifli, and then I will be take a part to do the setup procedure about this operation unit, as we call it, absorption unit. First of all, we must fill the water into the cylindrical recirculation vessel until the satisfactory level, until here, where I is supposed to be here. After that, when the tank is full with water, and then we close the source of water, and then we go to this valve. This valve is must be open, because this will be make the air will be flow into this absorption unit. So we must turn it on, and then after that, when the air has been entered to the absorption unit, and then we must turn this switch on. This switch is function to open this water pump, because this to ensure that the experiment will be conducted by this pump. And lastly, after the operate the pump, we should make sure these two valves for compressed air and carbon dioxide should be open to make the air flow over the absorption gas unit. So that's all my job, and then I should be transfer my job to the Hazim, my friend. He will be continue the last part.
Assalamualaikum. I am Hazim, and I will explain about how the experiment should be conducted. First, we have to make sure that the water is flow steadily, which is 1.5 liter per minute. And then we also have to make sure that the CO2 flow and the air flow is stabilized. After doing all those things, we will collect the sample at the bottom product for every 5 minutes interval. The collected products will be sent to the small lab over there and will be for the titration method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Hatika binti Muhammad Yusuf, and this is my friend.
I'm Nur Awatif Humaira. The purpose of gas absorption experiment is to determine the amount of unreacted NaOH with CO2. To analyze this, we need to use the method of direct titration. Both of us will explain on how to do the direct titration. Before start the titration, we need to prepare the standard solution, which is HCl and NaOH. To prepare the standard solution of HCl, we need to pour 10 ml of HCl into the 50 ml beaker. Pipette 10 ml of solution HCl into 1000 ml volumetric flask. Next, add the ionized water up to mark level at volumetric flask and shake the solution for a while. To prepare the NaOH standard solution, we need to weigh 0.4 gram of 40 molar NaOH pellets. Then pour it into 100 ml beaker. Stir the NaOH to dissolve. Pour the dissolve of NaOH pellets into 1000 ml volumetric flask. Then add the ionized water up to mark level at volumetric flask and shake it for a while.
After running the experiment about 20 minutes, we will be expecting the sample. Every 5 minutes interval, the sample is getting from the experiment. We will start the titration. The sample is pipette for 10 ml and put into the conical flask. After that, the dilution process, the standard solution of NaOH is pipette for 30 ml into the conical flask. The standard solution of HCl is filled to the burette into full of capacity. And we start the titration process. We open the valve of the burette and let the HCl for drop by drop and until the solution in the conical flask turn pale pink. After that, stop the flow. The titration process is meant to determine the amount of unreacted NaOH with CO2 in the sample mixture.